Still need a bit of help to get inside this food item and that rock when they spot it behind them. Oh, behind you, not behind the egg. There we go. And that rock there, nice. It's the perfect tool for this job. Now, believe it or not, what we're witnessing here, this use of tools is nothing we had to train this animal to do. It's instinct, and they hatch from their own egg with that knowledge already in their brain. First time they saw an egg and a rock, they knew exactly what to do. Now you can see after every good hit, Slammer inspects this egg, looking for any cracks or weaknesses that might be forming. And ideally what they want is a small hole they can stick their beak into, start to lap up all that contents inside. Nice. Now there can be around 2 days worth of food in an egg, so for a bird like this, it could be a literal lifesaver. Hey! Well done, Slammer. You're back for good measure, yeah? Show that egg who's boss. Yeah. Give the crowd what they wanted. Hey, well done, my friend. Now, we tend to associate tool use with humans and other primates. So it's pretty cool to see a bird like Slammer able to achieve their goals like this.
Do you ever get that feeling you're being watched? With these big, beautiful eyes, oftentimes owls are the ones looking back at us in our backyard. Heads up. If you duck, they only fly lower. Now this beautiful bird is Ripley, and Ripley is called a barking owl. It's a very cool species that does in fact hunt during the day. In fact, half of the world's owls do this, and it all depends on what they like to eat. This species does hunt other birds.
That's right, and it's using these powerful feet. Barking owls can take down prey that is as large or even larger than themselves. To be found with people. You guys hear anything? Well, everyone, this is Wraith, and Wraith is a barn owl. And as I said, they're more commonly found close to people than any other owl. So if you take that time to look up, no matter where you're living, you may see one of these incredible birds as they fly overhead.
Now, around the world, owls are seen as symbols for different things. If you've ever heard the term wise old owl, they are seen as symbols of wisdom, but they're also seen as messengers and also having the powers of prophecy. You're also getting a good example of how well they can turn their head. Almost 360 degrees, it's about 270.
You know what? Owls have... Where are you going, my friend? Oh, he's taking himself home early. That's all right, you get a nice view up there. Mr. Mentari. Here's a red jungle fowl. This way, my friend. I'll try and get him back on track. That's okay. This is a good example of how our animals... There we go. Thank you, sir. Well, everyone, as I said, this is Mentari, and they are a red jungle fowl. Now, this bird is originally from Southeast Asia, and it is in fact the ancestor of all modern-day chicken species. So these birds have actually boasted a relationship with people for around 8,000 years. They are also, if I didn't mention as well, the ancestor of all modern-day chickens. And they've found their way into our religions, our cultures, our rituals, but they've also found their way into our everyday language. So whether you're like Mentari here, ruling the roost, or whether you relate to our hens, a mother hen watching her chicks fly the coop, or you might be like me, the kind of person that puts all of their eggs into one basket. But no matter how you choose to relate to these birds, you really don't know.
Now our volunteers are going to notice how messy of eaters these birds are. Everything that they drop to the ground in the wild where they would be naturally found would actually help that forest to regrow and restore.
Now when Megan
Now as we're expanding our towns and our cities,
इसी तरह बने रहिए, लाइक और सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। थैंक यू।